It's called the Smoker's Cough.
Smoker's cough.
Jägermeister, mayonnaise, Adam, idiot.
Those are the 3 ingredients.
Let's make sure that we get all this right here.
Put a shot of A1 sauce on top of it.
Oh, flavor? No.
It's enough, okay? I'm doing enough. Jesus. Big money. Punch him in the neck afterwards.
I'm gonna throw up right now, man. Are you rimming the glass right now?
There he is.
Oh, that's nasty. That is just
Make sure there's
a
no
lot of
way out
mayonnaise.
this one.
I hope you like mayonnaise, man.
Now let's just go ahead and look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It looks like it's smiling almost.
Okay.
All right. Anybody else want to look at this?
Don't want to look at it, man.
Okay, so the rule is, Money, we got to count down to 10. So here's the deal, is that he is not allowed to chase this. He has to wait 10 seconds before he can chase it. So we're going to count down to 10 after he takes the shot.
I'm going to close my eyes.
Cheers. Come by. Oh, you're going for all of it. Oh, God. 10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4,
3, 2,
1.
I get 2 more. I kissed Cookie, bitch. I don't give a fuck.